Speaking of healthcare, I've got to ask that V question. What do you think about the vaccine, and what would you tell communities how we should embrace or engage in those vaccines as they become available?
We all have to make our own personal decision. I am thankful that we have the vaccine. My goodness, I don't want my medical people dying from COVID because they have to be in that room. And I support the distribution. I am down the line. I just want everyone to know that I am watching closely the reactions to the vaccine. I think that we really need to know the impact and be very strong. There's a number of leaders in the African American community who have said, wait a minute. There's others who are saying, especially in the medical profession, because we died at a disproportionate rate with COVID. I don't want any of my community dying when there's a vaccine. I'm in the group because people ask me all the time, I'm in the group. I am not running to the front of the line. I am encouraging anyone because the need is so great. I don't want to lose any more lives, but I am really, really looking to get the next round, not the first round.
Would you say, if you had to give a term, would you say you're cautious, or you're cautious optimistically? How would you land in saying this is where I'm at about the vaccine?
I'm cautiously optimistic.
You can find more at onedetroitpbs.org or subscribe to our social media channels and sign up for our One Detroit newsletter.